We need to start with a total neutral head, because if we go with a when we have something in our head, it's very difficult to negotiate. I think it is very important to listen with an open head, with a neutral head, and then wait and see how this conversation will start. Every woman in Afghanistan has a fear. Not just because of this conversation, we always have a fear.
And the Taliban time, we have a very bad memory. We have their behavior, their how they could control or rule the country. It was horrible. It was really horrible. But of course, because daily we are losing our civilians, the children. Every day there is bloodshed. So we have to stop that. Because of that, but to have all the concern in our mind, we have to go to keep hope as well.